Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and welcome you back here in Maharlikans code. This is the tutorial series number 7. So as usual guys, I prepare a bit here. Now we need to create a shortcut, I mean a new command called runCmd. This runCmd is this is the main command to run and to run our TS notification in real-time fashion, guys. So this is very important because we will keep running this what do you call this TSNotify. This is the core command now. This is the main task for this run is to create or is to monitor whatever we have here, guys, in task scheduler. For example, our example here is a go copy.MD. So right now the status is disabled. So we would like to monitor this critical task scheduler, which your program is not a Go program, guys. Definitely any other programming languages that for example the C# or .NET, VB.NET, whatever it is, an executable files here, guys, executable program that you want to keep running and must monitor, you need to take care of this item, because if one of your system administrator accidentally disabled, or this one might fail due to some constraints there or network issues or whatsoever, guys, this one will be automatically notify us in just a millisecond of our time, of the time that any triggering there. It will be auto notify our system administrator or your boss or something, guys, or anything, guys, who will be under the recipients on our config.yaml file. So right now we are about to continue. I shortcut a bit here to capture our time. I created this command called run.go, which is a run command. As you know, we know already how to do all these things, right? When we create a new command in Cobra CLI. So right now I put all the descriptions here, guys, so to capture our time and just explain a bit. This is just our short description, as usual, guys, long descriptions. And then we log here, like there is a control C. This is a green color, something like in our console. This is our console here. So later we will run this, and we will continue to do the coding, guys. So press Ctrl C to stop monitoring. Our end game for this software, which is called the TSNotify, we called it here TSNotify in Maharlikans code. Our end game is to set this TSNotify again as a software, as a OS level, as a OS service, guys. Same with our previous one, which is the Go copy, that we place under the service under the OS services, guys. So no need for us to worry about much if this TSNotify application is running or not. When the computer boot up or restarted or something, guys, then our application itself will automatically run under the OS level as a service, guys. Windows as a service, or in the Ubuntu or in a Linux there, it's all under in the what do you call the services also there. So yeah, this is a very good software, as I may say, guys, because we need to keep track the task items here, any task scheduler items that we might to monitor. So again, capture our time. So to create a new command, right now we need to this run command. We will have a go routines and channels here. This is the blocking channels, guys. So we need, that's why I put here the press Ctrl plus C to stop monitoring the Windows task schedule items. This message is applicable only when the console is open, guys, this one. So but when you're done with when this TSNotify under the Windows service already, then we cannot do the Control C there. You must do the stop there, or only only your system's administrator or any users that has a right to stop that service or restart or something, guys, or modify, then that user can do anything. So whatever you want to stop or restart or disable, uninstall, is all in the Windows managed by the Windows privileged users, most especially your system administrator or any user who has a rights. Right now, this one is applicable for the Control C. Later we will show this, guys. No worries. And then last time we did also from our Go copy. This is a standard code, guys. When we do the blocking type here, that we are waiting for this type of signals, which is the sigkill, sigquit, or sigterm, which is the control plus something, guys, any combination there. But normally we will do the Control C, even in the Unix or in the Ubuntu, rather in the Ubuntu or in a Linux OS, then we can do the Control C as well. So right now we will do this blocking kind of thing. If you miss out my Golang channels tutorial, guys, you can take back or you can take a look on my previous video. Look for Golang channels, still in the getting started with Golang there. So in that series, so you can have a look there, most especially for the Go routines and what they call the channels. These are the most prominent features in Golang programming language, or in Go. So right now, guys, I'll have all these things here. These are all the standard codes. You can have all these things. This one is just for the notification here when we pass on the blocking channels here that the user intend to Control plus C. So the user try to Control C from this console here, then that means he need to quit the application. So right now, all these are all the standard codes, guys. So we will continue. Okay, so these are all the what they call the registration here to add a command. This is the run command, so we need to add this so that this is the standard code or syntax or new registration for the new command registration using this Cobra CLI, which is the modern CLI application written in pure Go. So right now, guys, let's have a look first. We will try to build this. Let's see what is we just want to see the look and feel about this new command. So just say TSNotify. As you can see in our last discussion, we have this encrypt, what they call to encrypt any classified text. So okay, then now the run command is there, starts monitoring the Windows task scheduler. So right now we focus on the Windows task, guys, because in Windows quite less application that we want to do, but most of the time the most corporate world or organization, they mostly use Windows OS there or Windows servers or something, guys. But this one is also applicable in what they call in a Ubuntu or in a Linux based systems OS there. So we can just slightly modify, but you can freely modify, guys, whatever you want. Just subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay, we continue, guys. So we will do few things here. Just bear with me first. I would like to create a new function and lots of functions here because this is our main thing. So you need to prepare all these email things, guys, because we need to have emails here. As you can see, we need to have like we have two methods of sending emails here, guys. It's either the classic SMTP or the SendGrid API key here. So we will take care of all these things first. When the user try to enable either one of these classic SMTP or the SendGrid. Right now I enable this, but as I mentioned earlier, only either one should be enabled and must be enabled. Otherwise, we will block the user there saying that must enable only one. We already in place all those necessary checking prior to use either one of these SMTP or SendGrid. Okay, so we will do all these things first. To send using the classic SMTP, we will take care of all these two guys. So right now I need the table rows. This one later I will explain, guys. Host name, and then the thing is hold on. Okay, the host name, and then the email template. Hold on for a while, guys. These are all the strings, and then I need the boolean, and then the errors. Okay, as usual, I need to put all these things here. Uses the classic SMTP local hosted server, guys. So these are all the things. Oops. As is string. Okay, sorry. Then another one. Okay, so if len, we need to check this. Is there any entries, guys? When the user use this classic SMTP, we'll all do the necessary checking here first, guys. All the validations. So this one will return false, and then we will create our custom errors here. And then let's say email 2 is missing. It's like that, guys. It's up to you, guys. It's up to you. And then I'll just copy over this. Say same thing here. These are all validation. Then I need this host name. Okay, this host name. So if this host name is also empty, then we need to block the user. Host name. Server host name is missing. Another one is for the template. This template, what I'm talking about is this one, guys. This one is the email template here. These are all the things, guys. So you can all have all your this what they call the HTML template. This Sulat package is required an HTML format, guys. So you know the basic HTML. You can learn. These are all the very basic, guys, for any web page there. Okay, so the email template. So I need this email template here. We need to pass on all these settings here, guys. These are all the constants here. Later we will pass on here. Then we can, when the user tries to enable this SMTP, not this SendGrid. The SendGrid is we need to create another function for this to take care of the HTML format, all the necessary settings, guys. So just bear with me for a while. Email. So this one is the template. This one is the email template. Is missing. So we can have all these. Then right now, I need to send an auto email. This part here, guys. So hold on to all the recipients. New email content. So we just declare a local variable here with an empty string. Use the switch here, guys. Okay, email template, and then case email template task. So you use this. Then new email content is equal to config.HTML header. Okay, So we combine all the header, then the what they call task. Okay, these are all from the config, guys. So we need the table there, table rows. This is one of the parameter there we need to pass on to our sub function. Okay, done, guys. Oops. Okay, so these are all the host name here. Then we all combine, guys. We need to concatenate everything, and then we need the footer. So these are all the things here. If this one, so again, guys, this one is another case here. This is from our thing, guys, constant. Hold on, I will explain later. New email content is equal to config.html header. Again, we need to use this, and then config.event. These are all event HTML content, and then table rows again. Oops. Table rows, and then 2, and then I need the host name. Okay, then as usual, I need the HTML footer, that HTML footer here. Okay, so these are all the things, guys. So hold on for a while. I need the thing. Okay, these are all the settings, guys. These are all from our what you call here, guys. Remember that we have two methods here, which is the generic one. This is for the task, and the another one is for the event base ID. So this event base ID is here. This is for the event viewer. So we can check all the event viewer here, because the Windows Task Scheduler throws also the event ID and the event viewer here, guys, under this event viewer, and then the Task Scheduler operational. So everything there is here also is every time the Windows Task Scheduler will throw an event ID here. These are more detailed error message here, guys. So this is our second method, which is a more detailed error tracking or error tracking on each task items here in the Windows Task Scheduler. So we will continue, guys. So hold on. Okay, so what I need is so I need to prepare the email here, guys. So hold on for a while. Email content. So these are all the standard requirements from the Sulat package, guys, under the IT Republic there. And then mail classic, so I'll use this mail classic here, and then the subject, then I need the subject plus just want to concatenate, guys, just for the sake of simplicity, but you can have your own structured subject. It's up to you, guys. You can just enhance this. Okay, so I need the from. These are all the preparing to send an email ready, guys. So hold on. So I need the slice string, and then these two, and then I need to put a comma here. Okay, then right now I just want to ignore the other thing, guys. Sulat dot send email SMTP. So there are two methods also from the Sulat package, which I personally built, guys. So I'll use the SMTP, not the SendGrid. This one is for the SendGrid SG. This one is for the classic SMTP. So mail HTML content, and then the what they call the SMTP con, this one. Okay, so and then I need to return No, I need to check first the error. If error not equal to nil, and then we'll just return false again. Okay, if successful, then we return true, then nil. This one, okay, miss out this one, guys. Hold on for a while. Content, then the error here, and then the Sulat package. These are all the Sulat. Hold on, guys. Sulat set HTML. So I need a set HTML here, then Sulat that email HTML format. Then we supply all these things first, guys. So hold on. Is full HTML is false because we don't need the full HTML, guys. We need the partition thing, HTML. Okay, and then we need a config that HTML header. So we now use the HTML header from our config, guys, from the settings there. Then the HTML body, these are all the partition kind of thing, not the full HTML. Okay, so I need this HTML footer. So now, okay, we are almost completed this HTML footer. I need the footer here. Okay, so this error, okay, now should be okay. Okay, guys, so these are all the things. So I have a small mistake here. Must be the same, not the same, because we choose this event or the task. So now is okay. We done this first function here. We will do the same with the for the SendGrid, guys. So keep tuning in here. So I'll see you in my next video, guys, here in Maharlikans Code. Thank you, and may God bless us all. Thank you, and bye bye.